Yes, it's certainly feel good to have a result after all the hard works we've been putting on. We've been struggling a little bit lately to score goals, but lucky enough we were able to find a solution in the overtime. I thought we played a solid defensive game. We were very solid in the neutral zone at managing the puck, and by doing so we were effective offensively. We were able to create many chances offensively because we managed the puck. We didn't give many turnovers. So a solid effort from 20 players, and we have to build from that now. Well, it's very important games for us at this moment. The standing is so close. We need to get points. We know how important are the games in our division. So this weekend, 2 games against the Marlies and 1 in Utica. So it's time for us to collect points. It's one thing to play well, but it's not enough. We need to find a way to win hockey games, and this is what we did this afternoon. And I think we have to be very pleased with the effort. But we have to go back on the ice tomorrow night and do the same thing at Cups in our buildings in front of our fans.